Everybody, it's Eugene Lee Show, and as you can see, I'm not in my regular office here, but don't forget the Forensic Photography Symposium is coming up on January 17th to 20th, 2022. Registration is open, and so are the abstracts, and that'll be closing in about a week from now on November 30th. With me today, I have Jeffrey Suway, and he's going to be talking about luminance estimation from photographs and video. Jeff, thank you very much for being here, and I'd like to ask you straight out, what is the need for understanding luminance?
So when we're talking about can someone see or detect an object at night, a lot of times what we're talking about is contrast, right? So when we look at contrast between an object, what we really are looking at is luminance. Luminance is perceived brightness. How bright does something look to the human eye? And you can measure that by measuring luminance. And so when we want to understand, can you see a pedestrian or a car or any object in the roadway or even someone walking at night, you need to understand, or you might want to understand, the luminance of the scene, which is why I'm trying to show how to estimate luminance from photos or video, so that there's an easy way that anyone can measure or estimate that luminance and calculate contrast, to do some sort of contrast calculation and ultimately an object detection or visibility analysis.
Well, I like the fact that it's an objective type of analysis, or moving towards an objective type of analysis, because a lot of things that people do with photographs can often be subjective. So thank you very much for that, and I'll be looking forward to the talk.
Thank you.